The soy chicken I used to make for kids at home is actually not soy chicken. It doesn't really, contains a little bit of soy, but not that much. The original recipe called for sweet soy glaze, but I found that for when you guys were growing up, you preferred oyster chicken, and it's not the same thing as in a restaurant. What it has is oyster sauce is the main ingredient. It has one or two star anise, which looks like this. If you get the whole seed, you just break off a petal and you put one or two petals in. You need to fish these out because you don't want to really eat these. So you put a couple pieces in. And if you're doing the one serving, you just need one tiny piece. And then also Chinese 5-spice, which looks like this. Um, you just need a pinch, okay, for a dish like this. Okay, and that's your basic ingredients for your style of oyster chicken, which is 5-spice. The main ingredient is oyster sauce, a pinch of 5-spice, and one leaf of um, star anise. You can use ground anise, a pinch of that if you don't have the star anise, which you can find usually in the Oriental section. 5-spice you can find in the shilling and regular places, and also you can get the anise, ground anise in the shilling spice area.